that end, and then Kahlia's there, and then when you run around, Kahlia will be on the end to find the pipe bomb. And can you bring the chopper?
Okay.
No,
No,
the purple thing! The blue thing! The blue thing!
Yes! Alright guys, I have the ends of the couch in. That's as far as you can go, the couch.
Okay, that's cool. Yeah. What, can you see me now?
Yeah.
Alright, can I have my pipe bomb?
I have the source of
You have the source, and this
Wait,
is
why can't we use this as the pipe
You have the
bomb?
source of the ticking.
We'll have one shot with each of them.
No, I like this one better.
So this one's more of a pipe bomb.
It is.
It's just a block.
Alright, should we do a run through?
We're filming anyway, so we might as well make it serious, just in case it ends up being the good one.
Alright,
I'm poking you, James.
Yeah.
Wait, slowly shrink down.
Do you
Wait.
Do you
Wait, no, not yet. When I say shrink down, do it. Wait, Jeremy, wait.
He's gone.
Wait. Now.
Do you guys want to have a run through with this, the backing?
No.
James,
Yeah.
James, slowly shrink
Dean,
down.
can you play the backing? My mum can read it like any minute. Alright, come on, quickly, let's do this. Alright, let's just record it. Ready?
Alright, then look, you guys stay this way, and then when Taylor does a Hermione thing, we'll shuffle down one, because Taylor's going to go around the back to the other side.
I can't shuffle down much.
5, 4,
Dane's going to be next.
3,
Wait, Dane, you're over there.
2, 1.
You guys, I start.
Alright,
so you guys can come off.
Ready?
What is that mysterious ticking noise? Kind of catchy though. Snape, Severus Snape, Severus Snape, Snape, Severus Snape, Severus Snape, Severus Snape, Severus Snape,
Hermione.
Severus Snape,
Hermione.
Severus Snape,
Harry Potter.
Severus Snape,
Yeah, Harry Potter. Yeah, that's me, Harry.
Snape, Severus.
What I say that's
You stuffed it up!
When I say that's me, we're like Harry Snape,
Yeah.
until he decides to go Dumbledore.
You guys fail. Alright, do it again. I'm not doing the ticking now because it takes too long.
Yeah, just like
Someone just
touch the ground, it's louder.
Alright, yeah, we'll give old Baldy
Jeremy, how about you take care of the ticking noise? Considering you're sitting there.
Wait, tap the ground, it's louder.
Alright, let's do this again.
Actually, tap the ground with this.
Alright, ready?
That sounds like a ticking noise.
Alright, go.
Wait, doesn't the keyboard come with a ticking noise?
It doesn't matter. Let's just do it.
Mysterious ticking
We are so
noise.
professional. Wait,
Mysterious
wait.
ticking noise, take 2.
Mysterious ticking noise, take 2.
Can you hear it out my phone?
Okay.
Okay, was I right with the Hermione bits?
Yeah, you missed that one.
I know, I realised that.
What is that mysterious ticking noise? Kind of catchy though. Snape, Severus Snape, Severus Snape, Severus Snape, Severus Snape, Severus Snape, Severus Snape,
Hermione.
Severus
Hermione.
Snape,
Hermione.
Severus Snape,
Harry Potter. Ooh, Harry Potter. Yeah, Harry Potter. Ooh, Harry Potter. Yeah, that's me. Harry.
Damn it. Hermione.
Snape,
Harry
Snape,
Potter.
Severus
Harry
Hermione.
Severus Snape,
Singing our song
all day long at
Hogwarts.
I found the source of the ticking.
It's a pipe bomb!
Yay! Harry, we have the wonderful. Well, whoever that is.
The Dean guy.
Take it, bitch.
Do the rest.
What did I just feel? Please tell me that was your
Hey, we're
hand.
gonna do a curtain call. Come on, let's do it.
Please tell me that was your hand and you didn't actually have a boner just then.
Guys, let's do a curtain call. Come on.
Curtain call.
Let's check. And that was right in front of the camera.
Curtain call. Come on. Hang on. Wait.
Curtain!
Curtain!
Sorry.
James, no.
Who's going first?
Go deeper.
What am I doing?
Just stand up and wave. Think about. James.
Oh yeah!
What the fuck?
Snape!